Overcharging a battery ruins its lifespan and can be dangerous. Today, we are looking at a simple automatic battery charger circuit using the LM358 op-amp. This smart circuit monitors your battery and automatically cuts off the power the exact millisecond it hits full capacity, keeping your batteries perfectly safe. Stick around, because in this video, we're doing a complete step-by-step circuit building and full explanation. Let's get started. The heart of this system relies on a clean voltage comparison loop. A 14-volt power supply powers the circuit, while a Zener diode establishes a rock-solid fixed reference voltage at the inverting input of the LM358. Meanwhile, the non-inverting input monitors the real-time battery voltage via a linear potentiometer. When a dead battery is connected, the voltage at the non-inverting pin is lower than the Zener reference, keeping the LM358 output low. This leaves the NPN transistor turned off, allowing the 12-volt relay to remain in its default position and pass charging current directly to the battery, while a red LED glows to show it is actively charging. As the battery charges and reaches its peak target voltage, the non-inverting pin finally overtakes the reference, instantly flipping the LM358 output to high. This triggers the transistor to turn on, energizing the relay coil, which clicks the circuit open to stop the charge, turning off the red LED and lighting up a green LED to show the charge is full. Additionally, a feedback resistor introduces hysteresis to prevent the 12-volt relay from rapidly flickering or chattering when hovering right at the cutoff threshold. To calibrate this circuit, simply connect a variable bench power supply to the battery terminals and set it to your exact target full charge voltage, typically 14.2 volts for a 12-volt lead-acid battery. Then, slowly turn the linear potentiometer until you hear the 12-volt relay click and see the green LED turn on. Once set, your circuit is perfectly calibrated to cut off at that exact voltage every single time. That's how you build and calibrate a smart automatic charger. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick electronics projects. Drop your questions below, and I'll see you in the next one.